Tariff, tariff, tariff. All doom and gloom. What do I do? What do I do? Crypto Billy. The stress and fear is growing so much. What do I do? Hey everyone, I'm Crypto Billy. Let's get into this tariff talk. You're listening to Billy Goat Tales and Motivational Mindset. Just do a little update today on the current events, which is tariff talk. First and foremost, you have nothing to worry about. This is a good thing. Why do I say that? I say that because volatility is good. Volatility in the marketplace is good. It creates what? Opportunity. So the news is for the person that is uninformed and not plugged in and not actively engaging in managing their portfolio and managing their investments, and especially for us in the cryptocurrency. It's for the mainstream. It's for the layman. So you're going to hear talks about how tariffs are going to be taxing you. They actually are going to impact all consumers. It's going to cost you an extra $2,100 a month. None of this matters at all. The reason it doesn't matter is because we're front running this. We are engaged in our portfolios. We're engaged in our investments. We are plugged in and we're making the moves in real time. A lot of the talk and the smack is, of course, the right fighting the left and the left fighting the right. And it's engaged to create fear. The purpose of it is to create fear and uncertainty. And guess what fear and uncertainty does? It creates opportunity for us. So I look at all of this as opportunity for us. So if you're a trader, we want volatility, right? You want volatility because volatility means you can capture moves either up or down to help you with your trade. If you are a long-term investor, this downward pressure, whether you're talking about the S&P or the NASDAQ or the Dow or Bitcoin, this is just better buying opportunities. Never forget that we know what Bitcoin is going to do in the long term. We know that because of the charts. The charts have proven that. It's just like we know that over the long term, gold goes up. Gold goes up about 8% a year on average. We know that, right? So why worry when you're in a down day? Why worry when you're in a down week? We know long term what Bitcoin is going to do. So these are just great buying opportunities. Instead of being fearful, don't follow the herd and do what the herd does. Don't follow the herd. We know this is just a great opportunity for short-term and long-term. Short-term if you're trading, long-term if you're building your bags over the long haul. This is a great opportunity. Also, with Bitcoin, if you are in the mindset and of the belief that the 4-year cycle is intact, then we also know that it has not completed its cycle, which should mean that Bitcoin has another leg up before this cycle is complete. So lots of opportunity for us in the crypto space. Tariff, 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 just designed for both sides to fight it out in the public. And we get the benefit of trading this volatility and buying more for our long-term bags at some prices that are just unbelievable right now. Who would have thunk it? And so also, if you are an investor in traditional stocks, it's been just a great opportunity. We just had the Newsmax IPO. You could have got it for $14 and you could have 10x'd your money with that IPO. So there's some IPOs coming out on the traditional markets as well. And the option traders have just been killing it. It's been great all across the board for option traders as well as traditional stock traders across the board, and for us in Bitcoin and in cryptocurrencies. So don't worry about the tariff talk. I personally believe that this is a starting point. I personally believe that if the long-term goal of America is to get fair trade across the board, and in the end, if all of the other countries that have been putting tariffs on our products, if we can get them to lower their tariffs through all of this controversy and all of this back and forth, that is going to be a win for America. And I think that is the ultimate outcome, is that through all of this talk, we're going to have lower tariffs, which means we're going to be able to sell our products abroad more cheaply, which means more of their consumers will be buying our products, which helps our manufacturing. And I think long term, it's going to be good for our country across the board. So let it all play out. In the meantime, let us make our gains. Let us continue to buy at these great valuations, the great low prices, and even companies like the Magnificent Seven. These are great buying opportunities when you can get Nvidia, down over 20%. You can get Microsoft, Tesla at these prices, Facebook. Hey, these are opportunities. So don't let the crazy talk and all the fear drive you. Don't let it drive your investment decisions. We understand where we're at, and we understand that by being part of Billy Goat Tales and being a part of the cryptocurrency space. Love you all. Just wanted to give you a tariff update right here on Billy Goat Tales. Thanks. God bless. Have a great day.
You can be tough, you can be hard. If you are not a giver, here's my card. There is only one way to win, one way to be well, through loving and giving. There is nothing else.